Unpacking the meaning of discard, a guide to understanding and using this common English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to dive deep into the English language and explore the meaning and usage of the word discard. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced English learner, understanding how to use this word correctly can help you express yourself more clearly and accurately. So, grab your notebooks, and let's get started. Discard is a verb that refers to the action of throwing away or getting rid of something that you no longer want or need. When you discard something, you are making a conscious decision to remove it from your possession or use. Examples: after the party, we had to discard all the plastic cups and plates. She decided to discard her old shoes since they were no longer comfortable. The word discard can be used in various contexts, and understanding these can help you use the word more effectively. Personal items. When talking about personal belongings or items around the house, discard implies throwing them away or giving them away because they are no longer needed. Example: I am trying to declutter my house, so I am going to discard clothes I don't wear anymore. Ideas or plans. Discard can also be used when talking about ideas, plans, or thoughts, implying that you are choosing not to follow through with them or consider them any longer. Example: after considering the risks, we decided to discard the initial plan and start from scratch. Cards in games. In card games, discard has a specific meaning, referring to the act of getting rid of a card from your hand. Example: in poker, you have the option to discard up to 3 cards and get new ones. Understanding synonyms and antonyms can help broaden your vocabulary and give you more options when expressing yourself. Synonyms: dispose of, to throw away or get rid of. Throw away, to get rid of something that you no longer need. Jettison, to throw something from a ship, aircraft, or vehicle in order to lighten the load. Antonyms: keep, to continue to have possession of. Hold on to keep, not to discard. Retain, to continue to keep or hold. And that wraps up our exploration of the word discard. We hope this video has been informative and has helped you understand how to use this word in different contexts. Remember, expanding your vocabulary is a crucial part of mastering the English language, and learning how to use words like discard correctly is a big step in the right direction. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.